how to add Gmail calendar to your mobile device or phone. So the first thing you will need to do is to make sure that you have the calendar app installed, and if you don't have it, you can basically get it from the Play Store or the App Store. And then you will need to sync your Google account with your calendar if you want to sync it with the actual mobile device calendar. What you can do is go to the phone settings, and in here you want to search for calendar, and then you'll need to click on the calendar app settings, and then you want to click on calendar accounts, and here you should be able to link the Google account that you want to basically get the calendar from. So for example, you can click on add account, and then you can simply select Google, and this should bring you to sign into your Google account. And once you sign in, just make sure to enable the tick or the checkbox next to your email or Google email. And then this should basically import the calendar from your Google account to your device, and you can simply see it if you open up the calendar on your phone or the Google Calendar app. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.